Kumamoto Electric Railway 1 Series. The Kumamoto Electric Railway 1 Series, Qingben Dian Kai Tai Dao Wanxing, is a DC electric multiple-unit EMU train type operated by the private railway operator Kumamoto Electric Railway in Japan since 16 March 2015. Design. The two-car trains were rebuilt from 2015 from former Tokyo Metro 1 Series 6-car trains by adding two single-arm pantographs and new KW206F wing carbon-reinforced plastic 1067 mm3 FT6 in bogies built by Kawasaki Heavy Industries. Formations. As of 1 April 2016, two-car sets numbers 35 and 36 are in operation, formed as follows with one motored car mech and one non-powered trailer car TC. The cars have two single-arm pantographs. Interior. Passenger accommodation consists of longitudinal bench seating. History. Former Tokyo Metro 1 Series driving cars 1-136 and 1-636 were sold to the Kumamoto Electric Railway in February 2015. The modified two-car set entered service on 16 March 2015. Two more cars, 1-135 and 1-635, were acquired during fiscal 2015.